Hello, everyone, and welcome to the day one of the session. And in this day one, I hope you have seen this poster. That's why you all are here. What exactly this poster says? This poster says that we are going to make you the AWS and DevOps engineer with the help of this program. What exactly this program is? This program is a hybrid cloud program,
Good
which is
morning, sir.
good morning. Okay. I will give you opportunity to you talk. Okay. So what exactly I would like to say that this is a hybrid cloud program in that we will primarily focus on the AWS and we will primarily focus on the DevOps. This program is online like us. How we are learning right now, we will learn like this primarily. Okay. And it's a placement program as well, means at the end of the program or in between the program, you will get a lot of opportunity to make your career into this profile. The start date is today, 12 June 2024, 8 a.m. IST, and we are live. Okay, and we will learn like this only. Okay, in this program, overall 9 modules are there. What exactly we are going to learn in this 9 module? If you will come to this page, if you will come to the website www.clouddevops.com, in this you will get this type of pop-up. If by any reason you will not get the pop-up, you can click on this join current batch 35, and as soon as you will click into this place, you will be landed into one page. Okay, in this landing page, let me give you this link also so that you can able to see the details on your screen as well. Okay, this is 2.5 month live program, 100% real time things we are going to learn into this program. Okay, and here I just mentioned something that syllabus, what we are going to learn in this. So if you will click here, you will be landed into one of the Excel page, which we are maintaining on a daily basis. Okay, in this daily basis, what exactly it is, some basic details are there, and it has been divided into 9 modules. 9 modules means very first module is a DevOps foundation, means next 3 days, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, we are going to make the foundation of the DevOps for you. Means whatever the things related to DevOps, we are going to discuss in this next 3 days. After that, we will go into the module 2 and we will start learning the Linux. Why we are learning the Linux? Because whatever is your previous experience, it can be technical, it can be non-technical, it can be any experience, you can convert into the technical part by learning the Linux. Because Linux is the basic. If you don't know the Linux, you will not call yourself as a technical person. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Yes, can you please confirm into the chat box?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? Because Linux is the base. If you will go to any of the company, if you will open any of the server, if you don't know the Linux, you will not able to survive into the company. Okay, so Linux is the base, and then we will start the AWS part. I observe some people or some institutes, some training people or some student directly started learning the AWS, but that's not a good way. I'm spending a 1 week extra with you guys to make you from the non-technical or from the fresher to some good level, to teach you the Linux, and then we will learn the AWS. Guys, I trust me, if you will say any of the service of AWS which are most popular, just give me the name into the chat box and we will discuss that I'm teaching that to you or not. Okay. And primarily services related to AC2, related to IAM, related to ECT, all the practicals thing, load balancer, S3 with multiple practicals, plus the databases, we will create it, we will create the networking. If you will see the topic one by one, VPC, CIDR, block, subnet, internet gateway, whatever you get to know or you have heard the keyword, we are going to discuss all this thing in a practical way. Means if you will see here, whatever we are learning, we are not learning only theory, we will learn with the practical. So I would like you to give you this syllabus, okay, so that you can also explore it. Okay, if you will explore, you will able at least get to know that what we have to learn, right? And after that, in the 2 weeks of duration, we will complete the AWS. After that, we will start the module 4, which is completely a DevOps. Means this is again a day one for the DevOps. In this DevOps journey, what we will do, we will learn the Git, GitHub, and Jenkins with practicals. Okay, and in this day 24, around 1 month, you will be reach into the project 1 area. Okay, what exactly the project 1 is? Means we are going to develop the Java based Spring Boot application with the help of CI and CD. We are going to develop it. Means project is not at the last, project is from our learnings. Whatever we have learned in the last 1 month, we are going to explore that also in the project in between itself. Okay, and then after that we will come into the Jenkins, we will make the automation with the help of Jenkins itself. This is our module 4. And after that, as you know, the demand is very high into the Docker and Kubernetes. So we have to learn the Docker and Kubernetes also into the module 5. Okay. And we will spend a 1 week of duration to understand or to learn what exactly the Docker is, how to use the Docker, what exactly the Kubernetes, how to create a project into the Kubernetes. And with the help of this Docker and Kubernetes, you are capable to write the experience in your resume as well. Means experience means if you have any gap, if you have anything which non-technical or something, okay, you can convert with your experience as well, because with the help of this you are going to ask the high package. So I'm going, or I will help you out to write this experience as well by learning the Docker and Kubernetes. I hope that is clear. You are able to understand, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Please confirm.
Yes.
Good. And
Yes.
then after that, we will come into the module 6. In this module, what exactly it is, we will learn the Ansible and Terraform, which is highly demanded into the market. Okay. And again, the Terraform, the topic which we will learn on the experience level. So again, 1 week we will spend on the module 6 for learning the Ansible and Terraform. Okay. Again, after that, it's not end. Okay. We will learn the monitoring of the system with the help of Prometheus and Grafana. Means whatever we have developed till now, it should work properly, right? If it's worked, how it will work, if it's working properly or not. If I will share my this thing, this is a task manager, right? Can you tell me what is the use of this task manager? Yes, tell me, please.
The running tasks of Windows can be seen here.
Correct. Whatever the things are happening into my Windows machine can be visible here, right? The performance of machine, how much CPU I'm using, how much memory I'm using, which internet, how much internet I'm using, what is the internet matrices are there. This information I will get it, right? And after that, which application is consuming how much CPU and memory it's happening. Okay. So this is important or not important in terms of servers? What you say?
Very important.
It's very important. If your machine is working properly, that's good. If it's not working, then we have to troubleshoot like this. In the Windows, so we are getting automatically, but in the Linux environment, if you have one machine, that's okay. If you have 100 of machine, you cannot do manual activities. So we need a monitoring system, and guys, that is very, very important in terms of the server maintenance activity. The operation part will be get started from here. Means I will teach you on the Kubernetes environment how to create, how to develop the system of monitoring. Okay, with the complete practical approach. If you will see here, everything is practically, we will learn everything with the help of practicals, practical 7, 20, practical 28, and till now in the 1.5 month, around 30 practicals we will get complete. Okay. And after that, the day 45 will come. After learning this much, if you feel that, sir, this is the topic, I went for the interview and they are asking this thing, so you can ask with us or with me into the group, sir, I would like to learn this thing, can you teach that? So I will be very happy to say yes, because that's my responsibility to teach you. Okay. You can ask anything, any of the extra topic, whatever you feel. Okay. If you feel at the end of this, after 2 minutes, if I will tell you that after explaining this syllabus, if you will say that, sir, do I have to learn this thing, I will say right yes or no at the today itself. Okay. So after that, we will, after doing the student choice, day 45, we will come to the module 8, because some companies are asking the Bash or Python as well. So I will teach you the Python, not programming, whatever the Python is required for the DevOps engineer, that I'm going to teach you with the help of Boto and automations. Okay. And in that, we will learn with on the AWS cloud, whatever the Python has to be used on the AWS cloud for the automation with the help of Boto 3, I'm going to teach you that as well with the shell scripting. Okay, because some automations will happen with the help of shell script. Sir, why you're teaching at the last? Because I would like to give a time, because 1 week of Linux you will learn, you have to digest, you have to practice the command, and then we will combine all the command into the single file and we will create a shell script. Very simply, I will teach you all these things. Plus, so the ninth module, which is completely a project, means 3 real-time live project. I'm going to give it to you. Sir, what 3? The very first project is completely on the CI/CD, means whatever the DevOps primary work we are going to learn on the Java Spring Boot application with the help of Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Jenkins file, and Docker technology we are going to use, and we are going to develop the project 1. This project 1 base will be get created from this place itself. Okay, if you will see here, project 1 is going to become here, means project 1 base has to be get created from the day number 20. Okay. And after that, again, the project 2, we are going to learn the second project, which is completely on the Kubernetes environment. In between learning the Kubernetes, okay, in learning the Kubernetes here, we are, if you will see here, someday the project 2 will come into the picture. Means after learning the Docker and Kubernetes in a good way, we will develop the project 2 itself. At this point, what exactly it is? It's a 3-node Kubernetes cluster. We will create it. We will create, or we will get the code from the developer of the Java, Python, Go, .NET microservice-based application, and we will deploy into the Kubernetes environment, which you have to use into your real time, which you have to write in your resume. Okay, this is the project 2 which we are going to give it to you. Guys, any question related to whatever I have explained till now? Anyone? Anyone? All good? Then just type good into the chat box, please. Just type good or clear into the chat box, please, everyone.
No questions.
Cool, good. Okay. Now, after that, chalo, let me ask you some question. Okay. If you are going to learn the AWS, how many services you will learn? Just give me a number. 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20. Any number. Oh, chalo. Yeah. Yeah. Give me the number, please. 10. Okay. What about others? Everyone, please. Guys, please interact. How many services you will learn? So everyone is telling 10, 15, 20. Okay. Chalo. If I will tell you how many services names you know, I don't want you to go into the practical way. How many services names you know? Can you speak up the names, guys?
EC2,
1. Okay. What about other?
S3,
Yes,
Compute.
S3, compute,
RDS.
RDS,
PPC.
VPC. Okay. IAM. Guys, this all are in my syllabus. Whatever you are telling, EC2, IAM, S3,
Lambda.
database, Lambda.
AWS Lambda.
Lambda is not available in my syllabus, but I am ready to teach you that as well
Lambda.
into the extra day.
AWS Lambda.
Okay. What else? Yes. What else?
CloudWatch.
CloudWatch, that is already into my syllabus. Yes. Continuous monitoring with CloudWatch. What
Cloud
else?
formation.
Cloud formation is completely a Terraform, okay, which I will
Okay.
cover up with the help of Terraform. What else?
ECS, EKS.
EKS is a complete Kubernetes. We will learn the Kubernetes with the help of Google Cloud, because I have to teach you the multi-cloud. What else?
So
Sir, RDS.
RDS is already here. Database is RDS. It's
Yes.
Aura.
root 53.
AMI.
Route
ELB.
53. Yes, ELB is also there into my syllabus. If you will see here, ELB is also there.
Networking and firewall.
Firewall, obviously firewall will come into the networking part, gateway, subnet, security, in the security part, I will take care of the firewall as well.
DynamoDB.
DynamoDB is not required because you will learn the relational database. Okay, because you are going to store the data into form of table.
Root 53.
Route 53 is not in my syllabus, but I will add you if you want. I'm
Okay.
ready for that.
Okay.
Sir, CloudWatch.
CloudWatch is already here. CloudWatch is here.
Okay.
Guys, you are 45 people here and you told some services name, correct? Yes or no? And I feel that it's still 10 to 15 services name you given. Are you agree?
Yes.
All 45 people, right? Not
Yes.
more than 20 services, right? But I'm going to develop a project in front of you who will use the 40 AWS services. Guys,
Oh.
trust me, 40 services we are going to use from the AWS, and you will not able to remember the 40 services name after 1 year also, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? And we are going to discuss this 40 services in this project day as well. And it include whatever the maximum number of services can be used in the single project with complete automation. I'm going to teach to you as well live into the class. Okay. And after that, not after that, as soon as the batch will get start from the next week onwards, I want you to go for the interviews, give the interviews. Okay. What exactly it is? We have a mock interview concept. Okay. Every Wednesday, 8 p.m. you have to give the mock interview, whatever we have learned. Let us assume we are starting the mock interview from the next week. We will discuss the theory of the DevOps, right? We have discussed the Linux. So I would like to take the Linux interview for you so that Linux will be completely ready for you. You can write in your resume and close the chapter for the Linux. Okay, and then again after 1 or 2 weeks we will again take the AWS interviews. Okay, so that your AWS will be ready. I will like to give the interview questions as well, whatever the questions has been asked from my previous batches student, from the last 33 batches, whatever the question has been asked, I would like to provide it to you, so that your questions will also get prepared and you will able to give the answers into the interview as well. So we have a weekly mock interview sessions also every Wednesday 8 p.m. You have to give the mock interview as well, so that you will get to know your level. And someone told a very good point into the resume, into the chat. Okay, what exactly related to resume? Yes, I will help you out to create your best of best resume with the ATS complaint, so that you will get lot of calls. Okay, and we will optimize our Naukri. I will help you out your Naukri profile as well, or LinkedIn profile as well, so that you will get all the things in your environment as well. Okay, cool. This is just a intro about it. Okay, about the syllabus. 9 modules, live instruction sessions. Okay, 40% theory, 60% practicals. We will start from level 0. If you don't know anything, you can start your career from here. I would like to give the projects to you. Okay, that is 3 real-time project. I will take your interview preparation as well. Definitely a resume making, then only the interview will come into the picture. This is what about this poster. Any question related to this poster?
No.
Transparent, right? Cool. Okay, now why you have to learn this thing? Simple question, guys. Sir, why this program, or why you are teaching all these things? Because if you don't know, IT engineers without a cloud skill has some problems. What exactly the problem is? They have a low package, they have a less growth. Anyone can replace any time. Okay, means any fresher, if you don't have the cloud technology, if you don't have the knowledge, anyone can replace any time. Even you are doing lot of manual work, if you don't know the cloud, if you don't know the DevOps automations. Are you agree with my this point, whatever has been written into the red?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Right. So my personal suggestion, or you also know, that's why you are sitting into this session. Okay, that with the help of cloud engineer job role, you will be into the high package job role. Okay, your growth will be increased. Right now, if you feel that your growth has been stable, you are not getting hike in your current company, you have to switch it. If you will switch your company, you will get a double hike, triple hike as well possible. Okay, and if you will learn the things, if you will be knowing the technology, no one can able to replace you. Okay, if you will do only the repeated tasks, manual tasks, anyone can learn and anyone can achieve it. But if you will do something better, which is on demand into the market, with the help of automation, with the help of DevOps tool, with the help of cloud, you will get a high package job into the market. Guys, this is the intention. I want you from this level to this level. That's the intention of this complete course. Cool. Let's come here. Anyone has any question, any basic question, normal question? No, all good? Arias, no, please, all good?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Now, after that, let me give you some more problems. Okay, if you are getting rejected into the interviews, if you are unable to solve the technical problems, okay, if you want to upskill yourself, if you want to migrate yourself into the cloud and DevOps, if these are your problems, or you are into some path which you are following from randomly 5 days from the YouTube, 5 days from the Udemy, 5 days from someone listen, or 2 3 days from by own something, you are going into some other path and you are not following the proper path. Guys, if this is the problem, this course is the solution for you. Okay, what exactly it is? If you are alone, that's why you face this many problems. If you will be into the group who will motivate you, who will give the answers, if any of the technical problems, if any of the problem is happening, if someone is ready to solve you into the group, that's the thing you need. Okay, I will prove that how exactly it is. Let me open my WhatsApp. Okay, so that
Sir, I have one question.
yeah, Naresh, go ahead. What is the question?
Sir, I graduated in 2020 distance BA education.
Okay.
So can I get after learn cloud computing?
Mm-hmm.
Because sir, I know how it work Linux and basic Linux command is clear. I
Okay.
have already learned in YouTube.
Okay. Okay. After that, you want to come into the cloud and DevOps, right? With the BA degree, correct? This is your
Right,
question?
right, sir.
With 4 year of gap.
Right, sir.
Okay, that is possible. Okay, you don't have to worry for that. Okay,
Okay,
see,
thank
you
you.
have your gap, you have to fulfill with the technical knowledge. Okay,
Sure.
if you are telling that you have a basic knowledge will not help much.
Right.
Okay, because you have to prove yourself that you know the things, you are able to achieve the things.
Yes.
Right? Cool.
Right.
Okay, chalo, I will help you out. Okay, guys, I want to show that what is the difference you will get create. Okay, if you are alone, if you are facing the
Sir,
problem, one.
sorry to,
Please, please.
yeah.
Can you give me the time? Let me. After that, I will give enough time for you to ask the questions. Is that okay? Cool.
Okay, sir, carry on.
Yep. Okay. See, guys, when you face the problem, when you are alone, okay, if you are not in a group, you may struggle, and if you not get any technical answer, you will get left the things. Okay. So I have a solution, means we are creating a small group. If you will see here, okay, someone at the what time? Around 11 p.m. Someone has asked the question, right? And we are the available, means I was available, and within a 5 minute I given the answer. He asked again one question, and I was the person who was ready and I was available to give the answer. So we are creating this type of small groups, not only one time me. Okay, if you will see, this is my latest batch. Okay, BATCH 33. Okay, it's not like that only latest batch people are helping. If you will go here, someone has asked the question yesterday related to C++ binary libraries or Docker. Okay, I haven't given the answer. Okay, but someone before me, 12:36, the question has been came, and 12:42, someone has given the article from the internet. Follow this, and he was happy. So like that, the intention is like you will be into the group. If you face any of the problems, someone will help you out to resolve your problems. Guys, getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, not only one
Yes,
time.
sir.
If you will see here, this is my old batch, okay, which has been started in the January. Okay, and if you will see here, people are I want to apply for the job. Yes, the details has been shared, and if you will see here, so many discussions are happening every day. Okay, can anyone help me to install the Snap on CentOS? The document has been given by Shikha, okay, or someone has given the document, and people are helping each other. So if you will see, the active discussions will be very helpful. Sopan, he faced the issue that he forgot the username and password. Okay, and after that, someone has given the answer already, and after that, he was telling that yes, issue has been solved. Guys, you want to be a part of these groups? Like, means everyone is the same technical person, because they learn it, they are able to resolve it, and these are the real-time problems people are facing, and people are able to solve it. I haven't given the answer, right? I just told that use the admission initial password and try. Okay. And someone has given the document from the internet, and it is done. Means his issue has been resolved. So indirectly or in short, what I would like to say that whatever the problems you are facing, if someone will help you out, your all the problems will get solved. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? I will tell you one more thing. Okay. In my last batch, can you guess it? One of the fresher, how much package he get it? Just guess.
7 LPA.
Okay.
9 LPA.
9 LPA. Okay. Other answer. He's more than that. Fresher. 1 year experience.
12.
25 LPA.
12.
Okay. Fresher. Okay. Chalo. He got 18 LPA offer. Okay. How exactly he get? He was into the 8 lakh package. No, not 6 lakh package. He was earlier with the 1 year experience. He was asking with me, sir, I'm good. I take his interview. He was very good. Okay. I told you are able to double your package within the next 1 month. Okay. He understand that point. He given multiple interviews to me. He given the interview into the market, and within a second interview, he get a offer of 12 LPA. He was telling, sir, I get a 12 LPA. I discussed with him. Okay. And he told that, sir, I have a 1 year experience, but I have a 6 month of gap. What I can do? Whatever you are learning, we will provide you the training certificate for this as well. If you are a fresher, you can ask the internship certificate as well. If you will see here in this, it is very clearly mentioned that we will give you the mentorship certificate. He added that certificate also of the 3 month, and his experience become 1 year 3 months. He given one more interview or two more interviews, and he get a from 12 he get a offer of 18 LP. And in the month of June only he is going to join. Guys, this is the story. Okay, simple. And how exactly it happened? Because he get a guidance, he get a proper guidance. He to given the interview, he learned the things, and he was able to achieve it. And I will show you some more things, right? Can you guess it? One or 2 year person, how many offers he may get it in the duration of 3 months or 6 months? Just example, just normal thing. 2 year experienced person in the duration of 3 months, how many offer he can get it? Just guess, please.
7 to 8.
7 to 8 is too much, right?
3 to 5. 3.
3 to 5. Okay, chalo. I will show you. One of my students, Sarika. Okay, I'm going back to his history. Okay, let's see the chat. Okay. Sir, I want to say thank to you. I got 6 offers. Okay, and my highest package came this much. Okay, and I will show you. Means I save all my student numbers. If you will come down into the chat, she is the best 28 student. Okay, if I'm going here, you can read it here. Hi everyone, I thrilled to say that I get a 6 company offer as a cloud and DevOps engineer. Okay, like that things are happen. Now, if I will show you, we did lot of discussion. See, again, if we will get this much offers, we will get confused, right? Student will get confused. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? To getting you offer, I will be ready. Okay. To select you the company, me and my group will be available for you to help you out. If you will see here, we discussed a lot of things. Okay. I told him to share me the job descriptions, share me the details. Okay. We will read every job description and then we will choose the company. Okay. Because I would like to talk. We did a 15 to 20 minutes of the discussion. Okay. Or then we finalize that which company you have to join. Okay. Like that, we did lot of discussion. And after that he is going to reject this offer. Okay, again after some couple of days, I got placed in IBM also with 22 LPF plus 5 lakh joining bonus, 2 years of experience. Guys, this is good or not good? Tell me.
Good.
Very good, right? 2 years experience person is able to reach into this, then experienced people are getting jealous. Yes or no?
Great.
Guys, this is a way, means we are doing the things. Okay, and it's just as some story. We have a group. Okay, we have a Facebook group. I want you to go into this group and see what is happening into this group. Okay, this is a group of my group. Okay, not my, our group. Okay, Cloud and DevOps Engineer group, which has around 55,000 members are there. Means if you are feeling any question, technical, non-technical, whatever it is, you are feel free to post anything here. I'm giving you this link. Okay, and so that what will happen, you can ask any question, whatever it is in your mind. You can see here some 10 approvals are there. Let's see the approvals. Okay, console home. Okay, someone is did the practical, I'm approving it. Okay, someone has console signing approval. Okay, user created, means Linux user created, I'm just giving the approval for him. Okay, user group created, everything is 11 hours old. Okay, I'm just approving this. Okay, AWS account created. If you will see that lot of people are doing so many activities here, guys, you are able to see, yes or no? Some people are doing the practicals, right? Thank you, Vikas sir, for your guidance. I'm just approving all this post. Okay, and if you will see here, not only this, some people are providing the opportunities as well. You can see here, this is the opportunity that they are hiring for the talented developers, DevOps engineer, 1 to 3 year experience. This type of things also coming into us. If you are interested, guys, I'm giving you this right away. If anyone interested to give the interviews, we have lot of opportunity like this. I'm just posting, I'm just approving into the group, so that what will happen, everyone will able to get the opportunities as well. If you will see this group, what exactly this 58,000 members are doing. Okay, you will see that people are doing the practicals, people are learning, asking the questions, helping each other. Someone is giving the opportunity into the Thai. Okay, into the what we can say, different countries, and they are looking for the DevOps engineer or tester. They will provide the visa as well. So a lot of openings are also coming here. Lot of people are learning, they are doing the practicals. Okay, I'm looking for the DevOps engineer, someone is asking the help. Like that, so many things are happening here, guys. Yes or no? All the technical things. So you will be a part of this group. Whatever the questions you have, anything you will be asked into the WhatsApp group, you can ask into the 58,000 members as well. I will tell you, someone has messaged one thing into the chat that he has a dream of Walmart. Deepakar, you are here? Deepakar, what you can do, if you are interested into the Walmart, you can write one good message. I have a 1 year or 2 year, whatever is your experience. Okay, I'm good into this and I'm looking for the opportunity into the Walmart. Hashtag bookmark Walmart. You can put post into this. I will allow you, so that whoever out of 58,000 guys, there may be chances someone from the Walmart. Guys, yes or no? Possible?
Okay, sir.
Possible.
Yes, sir.
Right, so you
Yes,
will
sir.
get a
Maybe.
referral.
Yes.
There may be chances, right? Someone from the Walmart or someone from other company also. You can say that I'm open for other companies, but well, Walmart is my dream company. I would like to go into that. So you can ask that. There may be chances some people will reach out to you that I'm from the. There may be chances some HRs and all this thing may be available here, right? Or I will also put into my mobile WhatsApp, okay, that any of my student working into the Walmart, we are looking for the referral. So like that, we are just helping each other,
Thank you,
right?
sir.
Okay, so that what will happen? You will reach to your dream job. You will get a high package job, and learning to definitely I will teach you. Okay, cool. So these all things we are
Okay,
doing
sir.
into this Facebook group. Okay, awesome session by Vikas and so many things. You can read so many things. People are getting the job, and so many things are happening into this place. This is just a means if you are not alone, you are into the group and you will learn the things and you will able to achieve it. Guys, is that okay? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is the program, okay, which we have started from today. This is the day 1. Okay. Now about the DevOps, about the Cloud DevOps, we are 58,000 into Facebook group. We are 7,000 in our Instagram, around 8 to 10,000 members in our WhatsApp group, 1,000 or 2,000 followers or subscribers into our YouTube channel. Guys, if any one of you are not in our WhatsApp group, okay, I'm inviting you right away, join this group so that you will get the recording of this session or recording of the future sessions as well. Okay, please, please scan this barcode. You will be landed into our WhatsApp group. I'm giving a 30-second time. Just scan with your mobile camera or any of the scanner and join the WhatsApp group so that future information will directly come to you. Please, everyone. Everyone. Okay. If not, I will give you the link also, because this is the community, the Batch-35 community, we are using it. Okay. And I would like to inform you that in this from this community, before starting my batch, I already get, okay, one second, guys, one second, please. Guys, before starting this batch, I already have the around 10 registration in my batch. Okay, before starting the batch. Okay, because they are from my previous group or my referrals, or already day 1 some students are there in the 10 members. And don't delay it if you are really interested to learn. Okay, and the thing is, I'm giving you this community link, okay, so that you can join this community, and whatever the further information will be there, you will get the information into this community itself. Cool. Now, what all things we are going to learn? We are following the roadmap. Okay, you don't have to go into different places, because if you will learn alone, it may take years or you will not able to achieve it. But if you will learn every day and follow the same thing, whatever we are discussing it, okay, because in the today we have to just a community introduction and learning and question and answer I would like to take to you. Okay, so this all things we are going to discuss in the today's part. Okay, and after that you will able to get this thing, and at then definitely you will able to get a good job as well. Okay, cool. About the program, I will take care of everything. You don't have to worry. Okay, I will take care of all the questions. Give me next 20-30 minutes. I will take care of all the questions, or your questions will get clear automatically. Please. Okay, you will learn with the 24/7 community support, which is into the Facebook, which is into the WhatsApp. Okay, whatever the recordings, whatever the PPTs are there, you will get a 1 year, or I can give you 2 years of access to that. And after that also it will be available for you. Okay, you don't have to worry. But in 1 year or in 2 years, if anything happen to this recordings or anything, you will be, I will be the responsible person. I will fix that. Okay, all the sessions will be live interactive like this. Means I will never allow you to mute. Okay, you can always unmute and you can always talk with me anytime. All the tips and tricks will be shared with you. Okay, you will get a training certificate, you will get an internship certificate as well, so that you can write in your resume. Okay, and this internship certificate is the LinkedIn verified certificate, because you can verify the certificate, because certificate, so anyone can generate it with the help of Paint, right? But you will get a LinkedIn verified certificate, which is very different from any other place. Okay, like you will spend 20,000 or 30,000 for the certification. That certificate you will get it from us. That is LinkedIn verified certificate. Okay, resume preparation, resume making, I will take care of that part as well. Okay, this is just a very high level overview. Okay, plus the question will come in your mind, sir, you are telling a lot of things, why we have to learn the cloud, what is the reason? Okay, if you don't know the reason, let me, I am the person who would like to give the answer. Okay, I'm just going to the Google and I'm just asking the question that how many companies are using the cloud computing. Here the answer is coming, 94 of the company over the worldwide is using the cloud technology. You must have to learn. What do you say?
Absolutely.
No other way.
No other way, right? No other way. Correct. I'm happy with this answer, right? Every company is adopted, and in 2023 or 24, 94% companies are there. So definitely you have to migrate yourself. Whatever it is, guys, whatever it is, you cloud will come in your life. If not today, after 2 years, after 5 years, it will come for sure. Okay, because everything is moving into the cloud. Okay, so it has to become, if you will want to read it, out of 500 Fortune company, big 500 companies, how many companies are using the cloud? Let's see that around 468 companies are using the cloud. So if you want to be a part of 30 companies, then you don't have to learn the cloud. Rest everyone has to come into the cloud. Okay, the choice is yours. Cool. So the answer is very clear. That's why we are learning the cloud. Okay, you are learning with the community. This is our official website, clouddevops.com. You can come here, okay, and you can see so many details are there. The intention is very clear. From the non-tech to tech, I will make you, okay. I will give you the mentorship. Okay, I will teach you the thing. I will help you out to upskill. Why we are doing this? Because you have to come into the higher package job into the future. That's the intention. Okay, and whatever you will learn, you will able to implement from the day one. Okay, the result will be in front of you. See, the students are doing the practicals, right? Yes or no? Yes, you are able to see the students are doing the practicals. And if you will see if they are able to do the practicals, and I will show you one thing, the one of the student, how many commands. Guys, can you guess it? How many Linux command we can learn it? How many Linux command we have to learn? Just minor guess in the next week.
200.
200.
25 plus.
25. Okay.
100 plus.
100 plus. Okay. Anything else?
50. 52.
Okay. Guys, the general answer is 50 to 100. If we know, we are good, right? Yes or no? Right now, if we are know 10 commands, and if it's 100, means 10x your learning will be there, right? Chalo. This is one of my student. Okay, how much command he executed? Okay, 50, 80 commands. Okay, 125 commands. Okay, 148. Guys, you are able to see, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
150, 148, 176. Okay, after that he 211. Okay, this is not old, 9 June, 2 days back only. Okay, 2 days back. Okay, 273, 358. Okay, after that 407. Okay, 455 command, 543. Guys, he run around 600 commands, means that much practice he did. Guys,
Mhm.
this is a competition, right? Because if this person will get an offer of 20 LPA, you will get 1% jealous and you will try for 22 lakh package. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So guys, it's a learning, it's a competition in between us. Okay, because see, if you get succeeded, I will be very happy. If you will get another offer, I will not get anything, but my student will get an offer. That's the intention. That's why we are creating the open communication or open challenges into the market, so that what will happen, everyone will able to achieve it. That's it. Okay, cool. So if this, he is my student. Okay, he all are my student, you don't have to worry. Okay, everyone is my student. Okay, good. So this is what we are doing into the Facebook group. And guys, one more biggest thing I would like to tell you, if you miss by my classes by any reason, definitely you will get a recording into the LMS system. Plus, if you miss by any reason, technical, non-technical, you went for home, you went for on-site, anything, you can come to my next batch also. free of cost. You don't have to worry for that. Okay, I can prove that also. Some student has messaged me, anyway, someone. Okay, see, let's assume this is my batch 34 student. He just messaged me tonight. Good day, please add me into the batch 35 group. In the night, guys. Yes or no? You are able to see, guys? Yes or no? Are you are able to
Yes, sir.
see?
Yes, sir.
Right? Someone has messaged me, and I told done. Added. No question asked, guys. If you are my batch previous batch student, okay, you can come to my next immediate batch. Don't come after 2 years, 5 years, please. Okay, if you miss the batch 35, you can come to my next 36 batch also possible. Clear, everyone? Very
Clear.
transparently I'm telling,
Yes,
you
sir,
can
clear.
join the 2 batches. Okay, because I know some people went for the on-site, some people went somewhere by any reason. I don't want to ask any question. You are my student, you can come into my batch. That's it. Okay, because if I'm the trainer, you can learn today or you can learn tomorrow also. Cool. Okay, so basic thing, guys, we are going to start from very basic. Okay, everything, its journey is challenging, but the course has been created accordingly. Okay, if you don't have any knowledge, I would love to give everything. For me, if you are a 5-year experience, if you are a 10 years or 15-year experience, that's everyone is equivalent to me, because I will take the pressure into your experience level as well. Okay, experienced people, 10-year experienced person, sometimes they are into the 10 LPA as well. Okay, but fresher is giving 15-20 LPA now. Okay, so it's not a like that, sir, I have a 15-year experience, I have to go for any other training. No, the training has been defined accordingly. Experienced person will also get a double triple hike, fresher will also reach to the good hike. Okay, that's the complete plan. 40% theory I will speak, 60% my fingers will speak in front of you guys. Cool, guys. To start the thing, you don't need anything. Okay, you just need a basic laptop who has an internet connection or who has a Zoom or Chrome. If you have only this thing, very basic laptop, you will able to learn. You don't have to spend money into purchasing a new laptop. No, because everything we are doing on the cloud itself. Chalo, I will show you. With the help of Zoom, we will connect. With the help of Chrome, we will able to connect to the cloud. Guys, with the help of Chrome only we will able to connect to the cloud. Yes, guys, that's it. Okay, chalo, I will show you. This is my browser, right? Yes or no? This is my Chrome browser. Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, not only one person, everyone. Okay, this is my Chrome
Yes,
browser. I'm
Yeah,
just going
yeah,
into this place, aws.amazon.com/console. With the help of internet, with the help of access, AWS access, I'm logging into my AWS account, and I will able to do all the activity with the help of access and with the help of Chrome browser. So in your laptop, only the account and Chrome browser will be required, and we will able to do all the things into the AWS cloud. That much simple. Okay. You can connect to any of the data centers as well. What is this? Mumbai and Virginia, California,
Region.
different regions or different data centers are there. With the help of one click, you can connect to any of the data center. Right now, I'm connected to the Mumbai. If I will click here, I will get connected to the Singapore data center. So what you need? Only internet connection, AWS account, and the Chrome browser. Correct? If your laptop is capable to run the Chrome browser, you will able to do all the activities in the AWS cloud. Cool? Yes or no? Clear, everyone? So you
Yes,
don't
sir.
have to purchase any new laptop, not required. Okay, whatever you have, you can able to use it. Now, yep, guys, what exactly the intention will be required? Okay, your intention should be very clear that you want to become a cloud and DevOps engineer. That's it. If your intention is this, you can come into my batch and you can learn the things. Okay, my target audience is only individuals, okay, or some set of group of people who want to become or who want to come into the cloud and DevOps engineer job role. Okay, and I will help you out to double your package. I will help you out to triple your package. Okay, based on your capabilities. Okay, cool. About me, I'm Vikas. You have seen a lot of things. Okay, multiple certification I did the certification to the Kubernetes, Red Hat as well, that are already expired 2 to 3 years back. Okay, I did double certificate on AWS Google Cloud as well. Okay, I'm working professional into one of the big MNC. I'm your corporate trainer. I have lot of articles, lot of things over the internet. You can search it with me and you will get it. Just search Cloud DevOps up into the Google. You will get thousands of things over the internet. Okay, and everything about us into the Google itself. Okay, Cloud, CLOUD, DevOps Hub. Just put this keyword into the internet and you will get to know everything about rating, where is our registered office, what is the mobile number. This mobile number is showing is my mobile number. You can message me anytime. Okay. Everything, our YouTube channel, our videos, whatever we are creating it, our followers on the YouTube, Instagram followers, Facebook, LinkedIn, Facebook group, so many things, guys. Everything over the internet you will get to know with the help of Google itself. Okay. Cool. And after that, this is a training which we are starting primarily for the AWS and DevOps. And it's not only AWS, because why I'm not only teaching AWS? Can you give me the answer? Chalo. Let me ask the question. You went for the interview. Okay, guys, listen the question. Compare it yourself. Okay, you went for the interview and you feel that an interviewer asked that which cloud you know.
AWS.
AWS. Okay, he will ask the one more cross question. Do you know any other cloud? What you will say?
No.
If you will say no, he will reject you straightforward. Correct?
Correct.
Azure GCP.
If you will say I know Azure, I know GCP, he will start asking the questions on that. Correct?
Yes.
How to handle this situation? Because definitely this thing happen, guys. Trust me. If you will say AWS, HR will ask you, do you know Google Cloud? Do you know Azure Cloud? And if you will say no, you will get rejected. If this question came into the interview also, if you will say I know Azure, I know Google Cloud, he will ask the question inside that. Okay. So straightforward, guys. My training is multi-cloud. If I will teach you everything with the AWS, okay, I will help you out to compare on the another cloud as well. Okay. So let's discuss something. Okay. Which is not a part of my today's session. Okay, but let's discuss. Okay. So I have one question for you guys. The question is very simple. Okay. So what is the difference between all the different clouds? Tell me. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Tell me the difference. Guys, you are 50 students here. Give me the difference, please.
Resources and their service names.
Names. Okay. Chalo. Okay. What else?
Pricing.
Little bit different into the pricing. Okay. What else?
Features, there are different features in
Minor
different
features
clouds.
are different, right? Minor features are different. Correct? Not everything. Okay. What else?
Services.
Services names can be different. Okay. What else?
Different cloud
And security.
providers.
Okay. Security rules. But most of the rules are similar. Okay. The names can be little bit different. Okay.
Like optimizations.
AWS more services as compared to the GCP and Azure.
Okay. Good answer. Yes. Good answer. Chalo, let me tell you. Okay. Guys, these all are the major cloud provider into the market. Okay. All are providing the cloud services. Okay. Or cloud computing services. Everyone is providing pay-per-use. Okay. Everyone has a free access. Everything is automated and managed. Okay. And all the cloud providers are providing you the requirement, and you can ask the thing as per the demand. Okay. So most of the cloud providers are very similar. Only the difference is minor pricing, minor small feature. If I will ask the question with you, you know how to use a Windows. You can use this Windows into the Lenovo laptop. You can use into the Dell laptop. You can use into the compact laptop as well. Possible? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are yes, no? If you know how to use Windows, you can use in any of the laptop. If you know Linux, you can use in any of the different provider. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
If you
yes.
know driving, you can drive any of the car. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right? You will not say that, sir, I know shift, I will only drive shift only. No, man, tomorrow, if you're, what we can say, if you migrated yourself, you can purchase the Honda City. If you know how to drive a Honda City, you can drive Fortuner also, right? But the base skill is you know how to drive it. If you know how to drive it, you can drive any of the car. Correct?
Correct.
Right? So all the clouds are very similar. Okay. Only whatever the services are available into AWS, same services with a different name is available into the Google Cloud. Same services are available into the Azure as well. So how you have to compare it? If you will say, I know Google Cloud, which service you know into the Google Cloud. If you will say, I know Azure, which service into the Azure? We will learn everything into the AWS. Okay. I will compare in my class itself on the Google Cloud. Okay. And if you want to learn the Azure also, you can compare a little bit yourself that how the Azure services are there. I will teach you how to create AWS account, Google Cloud account. You can create your Azure account as well, and you can compare it, and you will learn all the three cloud. Good approach. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Right? From today onwards, okay, whatever we are learning into the AWS, same services are available into the Google Cloud. We will compare into the classroom itself. Okay. And if not mandatory, if you want to go into the Azure also, just spend 5-10 minutes. Okay, what is the different service name? And you will able to understand the things. And you will be into the very good shape. If he will say that you know AWS, you can say that I work into all the services in the real time into AWS. I can compare and I work into the Google Cloud and Azure as well. And I can compare and work into the Alibaba Cloud as well. Got it? Yes or no? Clear, everyone?
Here.
Okay. So you don't have to worry that what you have to write in your resume. You can write in anything in your resume, just compare it. Okay. Fine. Cool. Guys, if you have any question related to the batch, let me tell you. The batch is starting from today. Day 1 is today. Okay, this is my batch 35th. Okay, Monday to Friday, every day we will learn the things. Okay, and it's a 8 a.m. IST sharp. Today also we started the batch 8 a.m. So it will be always sharp 8 a.m. we will start the batch. Okay, and you can see my previous batch student feedback. Okay, have you ever seen any of the institute or anyone provided the last class recording? Everyone will just give the demo, right? Yes or no? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
No one will give it.
No one will give the last day recording. Okay. I am the person, or we are the person who will give the last day recording to you. Okay. Publicly over the internet. You can go here. Okay, let me tell you, this is my success story page. Okay, lot of placements are there. Some students say that, sir, don't give me my name into the public. Okay, let me join the company. Let you join. Okay, no need to worry. But some students are very eager. Okay, say that I would like to say in front of everyone. Sachin, he got us from the support profile to cloud engineer. You can see his video. Khushbu, 15 LPA. This girl, she was into the BPO. Okay, and because of his good communication skill, she get the good offers. Okay, because of his communication skill. Okay, she get a very good offers. Okay, and lot of placement happen in every batch. But my intention was I would like to show it to you. Okay, that the batch which has been completed 3 days back. Okay, that recording is available here. Okay, what student are telling about us, you can listen it free of listen it anytime. What my batch 32 student tell on the last day. Okay, what my batch 29 student told about the last day. In the last batch 29, the student reached to 40 LPA, 6 to 10 year experience reached to 25 LPA. So many placement happens. Okay, what all things are student telling at the last day, not first day. Last day recordings are available into the YouTube. You can go and check it, or I'm putting everything into the single page. You can check it, and even in our YouTube channel also, I can show you. Okay. That is called success story we are telling. Okay, let me go to the playlist and let me show you the success stories. Okay, where is that? Yeah, success story. Okay, if you will come here, you will able to see that batch 30, batch 29, batch 27, 25 last day recording size. Okay, see the last day recordings, what students are telling after the program. Everyone will be very, very satisfied. Guys, you will not get anywhere this thing. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Mansi is my previous batch student. Mansi, you are agree, right? You have attended my previous batch also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? Cool. What about others? Guys, do you think that anyone can provide this thing?
Nobody.
Nobody. Never ever. Not possible, yeah. Because last classes never happen. But my last class always happen with the same confidence. Or my student will be get confident. That's it. Okay. That's my intention. Okay. Cool. And it's not like that only starting we will support. See, this is batch 33, or let me show you my chat. Okay, because how many old students are connected with me. Chalo, let's see. Okay, Rishwant, batch 30 student, when he messaged me, can you check it? What is the time? 12 in the night. Batch 30 means around 2 years old. Okay, he asked some question. What you say about MLOs? I given the answer. Okay, not only one person, guys. Niaz, yesterday he messaged me. Okay, someone message me, so many students are message me in the night or anytime, I will be the person who will help you out always. Do you think that you will get this type of support anywhere? Tell me.
No, I don't.
Definitely no.
Next to impossible. Okay, if you will go to any of the demo class also, na, day 1, day 2, they will not allow you to unmute. I have a capabilities. I want you. You are 50. I am alone. You can take the interview with me. Ready. I am ready at right now at this place also. Okay. Cool. Okay. So these all things are there, guys, which we will be a very different from any other institute or any other community. Okay. Cool. Now I would like, because you know about us, I would like to know about you so that I can deliver the things accordingly. I want to take the group introduction into the chat, your name, you are a fresher or experience, okay? Or you know about the cloud or DevOps, or how much package you are expecting. Okay, guys, be very genuine, okay? Don't lie anything. Be very genuine how much package you are expecting, okay? Or how much package you are targeting, so that we can discuss accordingly that you will able to achieve or not. Go ahead, please. Everyone into the chat box, please. Your name, number of year experience, overall. Don't say that I'm a fresher into the DevOps. No, you are not a fresher. You will learn with me and you will become an experienced person. Okay. So think it that way, your overall experience and how much package you are expecting. Right into the chat box. Everyone, fast. Kaushalya, okay. Guys, experience MIS 3 months. How much package you are expecting? Rohan, Kaushalya, please. I'm expecting 20 LPA because you have a 6 year experience. Which 6 year experience you have? Sailesh, speak up.
Usually I have informatica experience. Informatica, Informatica Power Center and Informatica IACS.
Okay, you know what is ETL?
Yeah, I know it.
You can develop the transformation also.
Yes.
Good. Then you can achieve 20 LPA, 25 LPA. Possible. Okay. Cool. Raghvendra is telling he has a 12-year experience on open tools. My dream to work into an open text, Google, and I expecting 40 LPA. Raghvendra, that is also possible. But what technical things you know? Technical things, guys. I want to know your technical expertise, because only telling that I need 20 LPA, 30 LPA will not work, right? What technical you know? Speak up, please. Namrata is she's telling 6 year experience into the desktop. Namrata, you have to upgrade yourself. 6 year person can reach to 20 LPA. Okay. You just have to learn the technology. Okay. Technical support, that's okay, but not very good into the future. You have to do the night shift. You have to always be available 24/7. It's not what we can say respective job. Okay. You have to upgrade yourself to cloud so that you will reach to 20, 25 LPA as well. Someone is telling tech support. Good, good. Wait. Someone is telling 7 years reaching it, expecting 18 LPA possible. Okay. You are a tech support engineer. If you means you are already know the operations. Guys, compare yourself. If you are a support engineer, you are a operation people, right? From the operation, you just have to learn the automation of the DevOps and you can become a cloud and DevOps engineer. And that package is possible into the cloud and DevOps profile. Okay. Fresher expecting 8 LPA possible very easily. Okay. Possible. Okay. 20 year in the front end development, 20 LPA possible. Okay. Shubham 3 years, 8 LPA possible. 2.6 RGP developer, 12 LPA, that is also possible. Okay. Not in cloud, 15 years, not in cloud. But Shanmukam, how much package you are expecting? If you're not in cloud, you can learn with me and you can come into the cloud. Cool, Shanmukam? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. I can tell you one point for you. You have a 15 years of experience. I also have a 15-year experience. Your experience is non-technical. My experience is technical. I want to deliver my 15 years technical experience to you in this 3 month of duration.
Thanks a lot. Great.
Okay. And your 15-year non-technical experience will become the technical experience. By discussing, by talking with me, by working with me, by doing the practical with me, by working in my team. Clear?
Clear, sir. Thanks a lot.
Good. Okay. 2 year 10 LPA possible. 40 LPA business project management possible. Okay. And guys, whatever you are expecting, it is possible. Okay. RF engineer is a different profile. Okay. But you have to add that you are a RF engineer into the cloud, Ajmal. Okay. And you can reach to 10 to 15 LPA possible very easily. Okay. And guys, whatever you are expecting, your current package or your current offer matters. Okay. if you are expecting 2x or 3x salary, or 4x means 4 times of your package, means you have to put one offer in between. Are you agree with my point?
Yes.
Obviously, right? Because no one will give 200, 300% hike directly. Practically not possible. If you want 200 or 300% hike, you have to put one offer letter in between. That's it. Okay. And then you will get a 2 month of time. You will put down your papers. You will get a 2 month of time and you will learn the thing. That's it. Cool. Guys, it is possible. I get to know that from here, the fresher and experience both are there, and my delivery will be very same for everyone. Okay, because I will teach you the real-time things which the dev engineers or which DevOps engineer has to do into the real time. Good. Now I have a question. I would like to say, if you will learn the things by own, if you will see the DevOps from a high level, okay, you will see the DevOps like this. Are you agree? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right now, what to learn, how to learn, or how much we have to learn. Anything has been mentioned into this loop.
No, sir. Total confused.
Confuse you, right? And you will never come into the DevOps profile, right? You will say, what is this, man? I can't learn. If I learn this tool today, this tool will come tomorrow, and after 1 year, I will forget everything. Practically, yes, correct. Yes, you don't have to learn all these things. Okay, no. Out of that, some are most popular, which has to be used into the real time, into your company, which we have divided in front of you. Okay, so that every category, some set of tools which we have to learn. And I'm going to teach you the same thing which is mentioned into this syllabus. Okay, I'm giving you this syllabus link again, okay, which is already into this homepage of the website. In this website, if you will click here, you will get it. So I'm giving you this link. How to come into this place? You have to just go to the Cloud DevOps website. You just have to click on the enroll now batch, and you will able to see all the details. Whatever I'm showing, it is available into this place. Okay, and this link I'm giving to you right away again, okay, so that you can reach into the syllabus as well. Okay, and this all things, whatever is mentioning here, how we have to learn, this has been defined into the multiple days. Okay, because don't think that you will achieve the thing in the 1 night, 1 week. Practically not possible. Okay, you have to learn every day something. And some people have asked with me, sir, why you are not taking the weekend batch? I can take the weekend batch, but my syllabus is very big. Guys, do you feel that 50 weekends or 40 weekends you will give it to me, or 20 weekends you will give it to me? 20 weekends is 6 months or 8 months. Practically very difficult. Okay, so that's why I'm taking a regular batch Monday to Friday, and we will able to achieve it. When we will learn the regularly, na, you will become a habit. You will always think that you have to learn something new. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right, over the
Yeah.
weekend, let's assume Monday to Friday you forgot everything. Saturday, Sunday I'm giving you dose, and Monday to Friday you forgot everything. You are not practicing, so you will not able to achieve it. I already created a weekend batch, okay, and that was not very succeeded, because Monday to Friday student forgot everything. Saturday, Sunday I'm teaching everything. Monday to Friday he forgetting everything. No, that's not good. Okay, Monday to Friday I will teach. Saturday, Sunday you can practice, and Monday to Friday again I will teach. And within 3 months, you will be ready to go for the 40 lakh LPA package. Cool? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's my intention. Okay, cool.
Yes.
And we are going to learn this all things, whatever I'm showing, everything I'm going to teach to you. Okay, means our coding management will be happen in the Git and GitHub. We will primarily use the Python code. Okay, all the environment I will create a Linux environment. If it's a Java code, we will use with the help of Maven, and I will build it. Okay, and after that we will do some testing also with the help of some testing tools like Selenium or JMeter. We will do the testing, and then we will release into some other environment as well. Okay, means let's assume you develop something in a Java based application. Chalo, I will ask one question. You have created a Java build. Okay, and this Java build, guys, listen, everyone listen the question. Very simple scenario based question. Okay, you have created a Java build that is a jar file. Okay, can I run this jar file into the AWS or Google Cloud, both the cloud? It is possible or not possible?
Possible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Possible.
Possible, right? I created a Java build which is in Windows environment. I can run into the Linux environment also, not able to run into the Linux environment.
You can run.
We can.
We
You
can.
can, sir.
Yes. Okay. So whatever we will develop the application, it will be usable in every environment. Okay. We will containerize with the help of Docker, and we will run into the Kubernetes environment also. Now Kubernetes is Kubernetes, right? Kubernetes is a container management tool. You can use in AWS, you can use into the Google Cloud, you can use in any other cloud provider as well. But why? I have an answer, okay? But I would like to ask the question with you, okay? If in the same price you will get Maruti 800, Maruti Honda City, okay? And in the same price, if you will get a Tesla, which one you will purchase? Tell me.
Tesla.
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 Everyone will go for Tesla, right? Same thing happened with the Kubernetes as well. Other cloud developers are developing the Kubernetes, but Google Cloud Kubernetes is very, very mature. Sir, why it is mature? Because Kubernetes has been developed by Google itself around 8 years back or 10 years back. And
Yes.
companies are adopting it from last 4 years. So whatever they are developing, that is already up and running into the Google Cloud. Google Cloud Kubernetes is completely automated. So I'm comparing with the Tesla, and I'm telling you that yes, it is completely completely automated into the Google Cloud. So if in the same price you can use the AWS Kubernetes, you can use the Azure Kubernetes, but Google Kubernetes is very, very mature. That's why I'm teaching into the Google Cloud. So that's why my course become multi-cloud engineering. Okay, cool. Now another question, very important question. Who can become a cloud and DevOps engineer? Okay, now you have, everyone has already put into the group that you are from the support engineer role, you are something different role. Okay, chalo, let me start with the very first question. Sir, I am a support engineer, I can become a cloud engineer or DevOps engineer or not? It is very possible because you are already into the operations part. Okay, if you are already into the operation part, you just have to understand the little bit development part and you can become a DevOps engineer. Guys, are you agree? Support engineers or admin persons, you know how to work into the operation environment, how to maintain the application, but you don't know how to develop the application, how to release the application, you don't know, correct? If I will teach you that part, you can become a cloud or DevOps engineer. Are yes,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
You are a manual tester, means you are already part of development environment. Okay. Or if you are a developer, you know how to develop the things, but you don't know how to do the operations of the activities. Okay. If I will teach you the operations, manual testers, developers, if I will teach you the operations over the cloud, you can become a DevOps engineer. Yes, possible. Okay. If you are a Linux admin or any of the administrator, you are managing the application. Here also you have to manage the application with the help of tools, with the help of DevOps tools, so that you can become a DevOps engineer. Okay. Any automation engineer, developer, or who is doing the coding, why you have to come into the cloud and DevOps? Because you will get a high package. You are a developer, you are already into the good package, but if you want to, if you are assume that you are already into 20 LPA in the 5 years of experience and you want to go for 30 LPA, but you have to put something in your profile, right? So you can put cloud and DevOps and you can become a good package engineer as well. And you are already into the development. If I will teach you the operation, you can become a DevOps engineer, right? Fresher who don't know anything, you will start your career with a support role or some non-technical job role, 4 lakh package, after 5 years also into the 10 lakh package. Don't go into that, okay? Because if you start your career with this, after 5 years also, you will be into the 5 to 10 LP only. Better learn it, struggle for 5 months, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months. Okay, you will get a good job very, very soon because you have a technical skills. I will take one more example here. Fresher in the TCS, guys, you know, everyone knows TCS company. TCS is giving 2 types of offer, 3 LPA and 7 LPA for the fresher. Are you agree? Yes or no? When they will go for the college, 3 LPA and 7 LPA, 2 types of offer they will release.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between fresher? Both are same, right? Someone who has a technical.
One is technical and another is non-technical.
Correct. It's fresh. Every company, guys, is doing the same thing. If you are into the technical skills, you will get a higher package. Simple. And your project will also be a technical project. Let us assume 3 LPA person will join and he will put into the support role. Then your life will be hell. Okay, so I want you to learn the technology so that you will able to survive into the future, or you will be better than me or better than any other person after 5 to 7 years. Cool. Simple answer is, guys, whoever want to explore, who want to learn the new technology, you can become a cloud and DevOps engineer. That's it. Okay, cool. Now,
sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Sir, what is the difference of work between a DevOps engineer and DevOps administrator?
See, kind of similar, okay? Administration means you are maintaining that, okay? Or DevOps engineer will developing that also, means you will create a new process also. Admin is like you have to just maintain the things. 90% work will be, guys, very similar, Sheikh. Does that make sense? Administrator means you are maintaining the application. Let's assume I will tell you you are a Docker administrator. So what you will do? You will maintain the Docker application, correct? But if you are a DevOps engineer, you can work in any of the other profile or any of the another tool as
Okay, you mean taking care of the user accounts is also a part of DevOps administrator?
possible. Possible, yes. If you are a cloud administrator, definitely you have to take care of IAM activities as well, right?
Yes. I have an interview scheduled tomorrow for this DevOps administrator.
Good, very good, very good. You have to go, okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you don't have the interview questions, because in one day I can't say that I will prepare you everything, but I can ready to give the interview questions. Okay. Whatever the topic you feel that you want the interview question for that, just message me on the WhatsApp. I will give it to you.
Fine, sir. I'll share you the JD.
Yeah, please share the JD and just talk 2 minutes with me. Okay, 2 to 5 minutes with me. Okay.
Sure,
Or
sir.
if you want to do at the last of the today's session, please, okay, be available with your JD. We will discuss in front of everyone because it's not things to hide anything, right?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll share.
Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. And chalo, now I have a question. What is AWS? Guys, can you give me the answer? Because everyone knows AWS. Give me the answer. What is AWS?
AWS stands for
Amazon
Amazon Web
Web
Services.
Services.
It
It's
is
one
used
of the
for
biggest cloud
cloud computing and
It's the biggest cloud provider. It's the full form is Amazon Web Services. Okay. You will reach to 3 LPA package till now. Give me more answers. Because everyone knows this answer.
Provides services with
It-
pay as you go pricing.
instances and
It provides services to the end users. Okay. Good. What else?
a platform that
We have
provides
more than
stable
200
footage.
services.
Platform who will provide the managed services, ready-made services to the end user, they can directly use or utilize it. Cool. Still we reach to the 5 LPA package. Yes, I want more.
More than 200 services available in
Good.
AWS
More
and
than
it's
200
used by
services are correct. More
and
than
it's the
200 services
major
are.
used cloud across the industrial
It
sector.
provide variety of services, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service as well. And after that, container as a service, function as a service also. Good. What
The
else?
company is working in AWS cloud.
Okay, fine. What else? What else? What else? Guys, we know at least 5 to 7 points till now, right? Means everyone can able to reach to 6 to 7 LPA, but this is not enough. Okay. Chalo, let me tell you. It's a subsidiary of company Amazon. Okay. It's providing the cloud computing resources and their services on their platform. Okay. What exactly it is? If you will you just have to go into this link aws.amazon.com. You will able to reach into the AWS console or AWS homepage. It has servers, it has services, it has resources which are ready-made available into the cloud on, and as per your demand, you can scale or you can use it. Okay. AWS has a revolution over the time. Means AWS, when the AWS has been started, it started with the one service, and in 2022, it has 200 services. That is called revolution over the time. AWS is free to join, free to use for the next 1 year. Whatever the account we will create it will be free of cost for the next 1 year. You can able to use or you can able to utilize free of cost. Okay. Now, sir, how come it is free? Yes, it is mentioned here. I'm not telling anything from my side. Okay. I'm telling that it is freely available here. I'm giving you this link. I'm giving you as a small homework. What you have to do it, you have to go into this page and you have to just understand the names. Okay. As I told, it is free trial. Yes, it is a free trial for the next 12 months and it will be always free into the future. Okay. But everything has a limit. Okay. For the compute category, for the database, for storage, for container, everything has some limitations which you have to just read it by today. Is that okay? At least open this page, you will get to know the service name also. Fine. Are you ready to take as a homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
take as a homework. What all things are free? Because you will ask with me again and again, sir, this is free or not? So I'm giving you this link. This whatever has been mentioned into this place, EC2 is 750 hours per month is free. In S3, if you will upload 5 GB, it is free. After 5 GB, it will be chargeable. So this is very transparently mentioned here. Take as a small homework, spend 10-minute time here. That's it. Not more than 10 minutes. Okay. Cool. And whatever we will learn from here only. Okay. Because if you know little bit basics from today, it will be good. Fine. Okay. And after that, what exactly the DevOps is. Next question.
Sir, it is the combination of development and operations. Means both the team work together.
Good, very good.
DevOps stands for development and operations, which consist of software and also IT.
Which
And
involve, wait, one
it's
second, which
the-
involve, one second, which involve into the software development life cycle. Correct?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, what else?
it provides a certain distance between those and link both the sectors together.
Okay, fine. Okay, anyone else?
So DevOps is a methodology that emphasizes collaboration and communication between software development and IT operations teams. It aims to bridge the gap between these two teams.
Good, very good answer. Okay, guys, if you will give this answer, interviewer will be at least happy. Okay, and out of 45 people, only 2% are giving the answers. Okay, that's not good. Next time, when I ask the very simple question, everyone has to be give the answer. Is that okay? Can we create a thumb rule? Because you are here for the interactive sessions. You are not watching the recording. If you will do the mistake here, I will correct you. Right? Which you will not
Okay,
get
sir.
anywhere. Okay? Because here is a learning platform which I am providing to you. Give the wrong answer at least so that you will get to know that you are going to give the wrong answer into the interview also. Right? Yes or no? Because the
Yes.
biggest problem,
Correct, sir.
because see, if my student is there, he will give the right answer. I know. If you are not a registered student or not a student, what you will do? We feel that, sir, I given 10 interviews. Okay, I get rejected in all the 10 interviews. Why you get rejected? Because there may be chances you confidently you are giving the wrong answers, right? Yes or no? Possible?
Yes, sir, possible.
Okay, it happens. It happens. Okay, so correct your mistake here from today itself. Okay, chalo. Now let me tell. Some companies has a development more, some company has a operation more. Okay, ideally it should be 50-50, but it's completely depends on the project to project. There may be chances 30% development and 70% operation you will get possible. Okay, that can happen into the DevOps profile. Okay, now what exactly the DevOps is? With the help of in the IT, what we do, we develop the software. Simple, right? Yes or no? In the IT, we develop the software with the help of software development lifecycle. Correct?
Correct.
Right? To develop any of the software, what all things will be required? Or what all teams will be required? Primarily, 3 teams work into the IT: development, QA, and operations. Okay, these are the 3 teams working together to develop any of the software. If they face any of the problem, or what development people are doing, what QA people are doing, what operation people are doing, who will give this information or who will keep all the process into the sync has to be done by the DevOps engineer. Why I'm telling this? Because anyone from the development environment who knows little bit of QA or little bit operation, he can become a DevOps engineer. If any of the operation engineer, right now you are a support or operation engineer, if you will learn little bit of development or little bit QA, you can become a DevOps engineer. Guys, correct? Yes or no? You understood my intention of giving this
Yes, sir.
image, right? So you can, from another profile, if you know little bit about any of the different profile, you can become a cloud and DevOps engineer. That's it. Okay, chalo. Why the DevOps came into the picture? Why every team, or why this many openings are for DevOps? Chalo, let me ask you, how many openings will be available into the Naukri.com for DevOps profile? Guess into the chat.
1,000 plus openings. It's lots of openings.
50,000.
1,000, 50,000. Guys, big difference, yeah. At least.
Sir, I said 1,000 plus
Arey,
openings.
1,000 plus is 1 lakh also, 2 lakh also. Give the number. Give the number. 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, please.
2,000 to
5,000, sir.
5,000
5,000 plus.
5,000. Okay. So you are considering that 5,000 openings are there. So let me go to the Naukri.com. Okay.
Anything is required.
In the
in-
Naukri, 0 to 6 year experience. Okay. 0 to 6 years. You all are coming into this category. You will write up to 6 year experience after learning with me. Yeah. Okay. And I will show you that around 41,000 openings are there. If you are thinking 5,000, around 41,000 openings are there. Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you will, someone are 15 years, 10 years, 15 year experience area, you can put it very high category different. Okay. AWS DevOps. Okay, let me remove this up to 5 years. Okay, let me remove unnecessary things. Okay, just search AWS and DevOps. Okay, up to 5 years category. Okay, around 24,000 openings are there, guys. This many openings are available into the market. And how many we need? We are 50 people here. How many we need? 1, 2, 3 maximum, right? Yes or no? One for double our package, second for making the high package. That's it. In the two of us, we will able to reach to double or triple your package. Correct? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I don't like silent
Yeah.
people. I want everyone to say at least yes, no, or into the chat box, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, this many openings are there, and people are talented. People are very late. Okay. Very less talented people are there. Okay. If you know, I can open my any of the job description. So let's open the job description. Okay, because we are sitting into the day one. Okay. Let's go for any of the cloud engineer. Why the cloud engineer? AWS. Let me remove the fresher also. AWS or DevOps. DEVOPS. Okay. I'm just searching this. I'm removing this category also. Okay. Or let me take this only. Okay. So now I'm going for the AWS DevOps engineer role. Or can I go, guys, choose which company I have to go? AWS DevOps engineer. Can I go to the TCS and open the job description for 4 to 8 year experience?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, let's open this and let's compare with my syllabus. What they are asking and what I'm providing. Very, very bad. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm opening the job description, whatever they are asking or what I'm providing to you. Okay, let's see. They are asking the Linux based infrastructure, means my first week of learning is the Linux, correct? Yes or no?
Correct.
Your first point will be get clear in
Yes,
the
sir.
first week itself. Means next week itself you are able to sit into this interview. Okay. So second, okay. After that, what exactly he is asking? He is asking Python or Java. Perl, Python or Java, means he is asking some programming language. Python or Java, I'm going to teach to you. Python automation, and my project will be completely on the Java base. Okay. After that, he is asking the database also. As I'm teaching the database, yes, I'm teaching the database on the AWS cloud. Here is the database he is asking. Yes, I'm teaching on the AWS cloud itself. So let's go here. Okay. After that, open source tool, and he is asking the DevOps. After that, he is coming into down and he's not mentioning any of the good part, just the theory, right? He's just expressly looking into the AWS profile. Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, means they are not asking much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but let's go to the another profile, and whoever is asking, chalo, let's go into this. Who is giving 18 LP AWS DevOps engineer? Let's see what they're asking. Okay, my God, they're also not asking much thing. Yeah, here they have mentioned CI/CD. In my project, my complete project is based on the CI/CD. Okay, means in this day you will learn everything. Okay, after that, in the CI/CD, is Jenkins, GitLab, or Ansible, Maven. Okay, whatever has been listened, guys, everything is available here. Jenkins, GitLab, or Ansible. Okay, if you will come here, Jenkins, we are going to learn the Jenkins part here. This is the week, third week, where we will learn the Jenkins. Okay, you can see here Jenkins. Okay, GitLab, which is very similar to the Git. I'm teaching you the Git and GitHub, which is open source available into this place. Okay. And after that, what exactly you are asking? Ansible and Maven. Yes, Ansible and Maven both are in my syllabus. If you will see here, Ansible and Maven, Ansible up to the experience level, I'm going to teach to you. Okay, Maven, which is a completely Java-based thing. Okay, if you will see here, Maven here, Maven integration, I'm going to teach you. Means whatever the companies are asking, I'm teaching to you. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So whatever the company demand is there, my syllabus is accordingly. Simple, guys. Okay, cool. So why the DevOps? Now the question is important. Why the DevOps is getting created into every team? Developer has did their work. He created the software. Operation people has to deploy into the production environment. But operation people don't know how to deploy. Whatever the developer has given the step, he executed the same step. If it's worked, well and good. If it's not worked, then what will happen? They will fight with each other. Right? Yes or no? Are yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? They will fight with each other, and they tell the developer will say that it's not my work. Operation people tell that it's your application which is not working, and the wall of confusion has been get created. So we want, we as a DevOps engineer, we will be in midway. Okay, we will create a automation so that what will happen? Things will be get automated easily, or all the things will happen with the help of some set of tools that can be achieved with the help of DevOps. That's why every company is hiring a DevOps engineer into their team. Cool. Fine. Okay. Now I'm done here. So let's discuss next 5 minutes what exactly the DevOps is. Okay. And in the next 5 minutes, we will wind up. Okay. Or you want to do it tomorrow? Tell me first. First.
You can continue, sir.
Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. DevOps. What exactly the DevOps? DevOps is a solution for all the development operation related issues. Whatever the development team or operation teams are facing the issue has to be solved by the DevOps engineer. Okay. DevOps engineer is helpful into the communication and collaboration and integration. Means whatever the people are fighting with each other, let's assume operation team is sitting into the India, development team is sitting into the US. So they have a communication gap. This communication gap will be filled by the DevOps engineer by collaboration or by making the integration in between. Okay. DevOps engineer has a intention, whatever the software development life cycle is there, it should be become faster. People should run or applications should move from one environment to another environment fastly with the help of automation that can be achieved with the help of DevOps engineer. DevOps is a streamlined solutions, means whatever the solution we are providing for one team, another team also has to copy the same solution. That's why I'm telling it's a streamlined solution for all the IT activities happen into the IT. Okay, cool. This is a minor definition for the DevOps. Okay, cool. Now let's come to the AWS engineer salary. Okay, yes, can you guess it? How much is the engineer salary, AWS engineer salary? We will get it as a fresher. Any idea? Go, yeah, go ahead.
8 LPA.
7 to 8 LPA, right? Around 6 to 9 to annual salary up to average to 33.6 LPA. This is very simple answer. I don't want to make anything fake. If you know only AWS, wait. If you know only AWS, you are starting into the AWS, you will be into this range. Okay. But are you happy with this range?
Yes.
No, yaar.
No, no, not at all.
No, we don't have to be happy with this range, right? We have to put something more so that our salary will get increased more. Yes, no. Because
Yes,
if you
sir.
say
Yes,
that
sir.
I know AWS definition, man, everyone knows AWS definition. If you will say I know EC2, everyone knows EC2. Okay. But what is the difference between you and the person who is getting 20 LPA, 30 LPA? You have to put some DevOps also inside it. Then only your salary will get increased. Correct?
Yes.
Are you
Correct.
agree with my point? Because some people will say that, sir, if I learn only AWS or only cloud, it is enough. No, that's not enough. Okay, because after 6 months, you will realize that you have to learn the DevOps also. Sir, is that possible? Can I learn only DevOps?
No.
No.
That's also not good. Okay, if you will learn only DevOps, buddy, where you will develop all these things, where you with DevOps is a tools, right? Where you will utilize these tools. You have to need a cloud, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, or Google cloud to use these tools. Are you agree with my point?
Yes.
So you have
Yes,
to
sir.
learn both the things. Okay, that's why in my syllabus we are learning both the things. Okay, so don't feel like that ki I will learn only cloud or I will learn only AWS, it will be helpful. No, you have to learn both the things, then only you will reach to 20, 30, 40 LPA. Okay. Now, guys, as I already show that number of openings are there. Yes, number of openings are available into the naukri.com itself. With the help of cloud or DevOps job role, how many varieties of openings can be possible? Guys, you can apply for this many different job roles. Okay, this many different varieties of job role you can apply after learning with me. Okay, so this is not a simple course, guys. It's a master's course where we will learn lot of things, and this many different profiles can be get taken care into this place. Cool. Okay. Now leave it. Okay. One more thing I would like to show you. Okay. Have you know about the Stack Overflow? What is the Stack Overflow? Are you aware about it? Answer.
A technical platform.
Community where we can
Community set of peoples are there. You
get
will write-
solution of
you will get all the
yeah.
solutions into this place, right?
Develop
Correct.
community.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
They have written one article, and in this article, they have clearly mentioned that the DevOps engineer salary in US is the highest. In the UK also, DevOps engineer salary is highest. In the India also the DevOps engineer salary is highest. Germany also the DevOps engineer salary is highest. Why this salary is highest? Because this is a stabilities are there. Okay, some profile will come who will give a high package, but is that okay that 5 years, 10 years he will give? No, this is giving a stable salary from a long time. That's why I'm considering that DevOps engineer will get a high salary in all the different countries. Okay, cool. Now, again, who have to learn this AWS or DevOps? Okay, or why you have to come into this cloud and Java profile? Anyone can learn. It's very simple, guys. It's not tough. Anyone can learn it very easily. Okay, and there are so many openings are there. If you have a knowledge, if you have a skills, you can easily come into the cloud and DevOps profile. Okay, very high career growth is there into this profile. Okay, shorten development cycle will be faster. That's why every company is creating a DevOps engineer. Okay, software failure will be very less. High salary you will get, your value will get increased into the company. Okay, if you are say that I'm a desktop engineer, I'm a support engineer, people will not give the respect. But if you will say I'm a cloud engineer, I'm a DevOps engineer, people will give the respect to you. Okay, your promotion will happen high. Your means you will get a high what we can say high salary into the market as well. Okay, and I'm not telling this, these are the articles written into the internet who is telling all these points. Are you agree with this point, or anyone is telling that, sir, I'm not agree with this? Defense with me, please.
Plus, we must require PSA.
DSA is not required. Okay, DSA is only for the fresher. If you're going or targeting Google or Facebook, then only DSA is required for the freshers or into the development profile. This is the DevOps profile. DSA is not at all required. Okay.
Sir, I have a
Sir,
question. Sir, many companies hire a minimum 2 to or 3 years experience. So how to get as a fresher?
Okay, you are thinking that 2 to 3 years every company is asking. The fresher will not get a job. Do you think like that?
Yes, sir. My view
I
is
was also a fresher who get a job. You were also a fresher, you get a job. So many fresher get a job, right? Yes or no? Are yes, no?
Yeah.
Guys, tell me.
Yes,
I'm
sir. Fresher
telling
can get us the job, sir.
fresher get a job. That's why they become experienced person, right? And it's not like that
Yes, sir.
everyone is asking every time experience. Okay, the person who will say that who get rejected into the interview and he will say all these things that I'm not getting a job, because when we become failure, we feel that everyone will be a failure, right? Yes or no? So don't
Yes,
be
sir.
negative. Don't be negative. If you are not getting a call, try for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will get a call for sure.
Okay.
Okay. And this is not a problem with the fresher. Okay. If you feel that I'm a 15-year experience, do you feel that I will get a call? That is also again big problem, right? Greater than fresher problem, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's a very big problem, I would say.
Right? It's a big problem. So don't always feel that fresher is not getting a job. Even experienced person, because on my level, whatever the package I'm expecting, very less companies are there who is ready to pay. Right? So fresher problem is very small as compared to experience problem. Right?
Correct, sir.
Right.
Cool. Okay. So don't be positive. Always try it. Okay. You will get it for sure. Okay. And so many openings are there for fresher. Let me go here. Yaar. Let me show you. Okay. Chalo. I'm going into this place. Okay. Let's see how many fresher openings are there. Okay. If you will come
Sir?
here. Go ahead.
sir,
One
as you
second.
said that
One second. See, you are telling that fresher opening is now. What is this? This is a fresher. 0 to 1 year is the fresher, right? Even
Hmm.
2 years also coming into the fresher category, right? If you have a 1 year of gap, you can put some training certificate inside it and you can go into this job role also. But everything depends if you have if you are able to crack the interview. If you will see here, 13,000 openings are for the fresher, 0 years, right? 0 to 5 years, 0 years, 1 year, 0 to 5 years. Okay. So many openings are there, right?
Right.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Don't feel like that freshers are not getting a job. There may be chances you are not searching it properly. Okay, I will help you out for this all things. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. Now, any question, guys? This is my number: 9993445100. Okay. Anytime you can message me. Anytime. Okay. If you want to talk with me, my number is available in the website also. If you will come down. Okay. If you will come down, here is my number. You can contact me anytime. Just message me. I will be always available. Okay. Now we have created a lot of success story, guys, and I can create your success story as well. Possible. Okay, I have a capabilities. I have means already thousands of students get 25 LPA package, and you can also be a part of that. Okay, and if you want to see all the success stories, you can go to my website. Okay, and there is a success story tab. Listen the videos of the student. Okay, how much student videos they are telling. You can see not only one. Okay, you can see, I guess, hi guys, I get a 10 LPA job. I get it this much job. I get this much job. I get this. I selected into the Infosys yesterday. I joined it. So many stories we made it. Okay, and we can make your story also. Okay, but only the thing is you have to give me your 3 months of duration so that you will able to learn this thing, and you will able to see that batch 22-23 around 2 years back we put this video. Okay, you can see here. Okay, on the YouTube itself. Okay, and let's see the date and all these things. When we have put it, any idea? Date is coming. Yeah, date is not coming. No, sorry, I don't know how to see, but you can see that this video is very old kind of thing, which we have put it into the YouTube, and all the results are here. Okay, so you are feel free to check it. And in the tomorrow class, we will start with basics of AWS. We will go into the cloud computing, because in the tomorrow agenda is we have to understand the cloud computing. Okay, and tomorrow itself, in the tomorrow class itself, I will explain you, because today is just an introduction day. Okay, and after 5 minutes, I'm ready to take all your questions. But tomorrow is our completely technical day. We'll start from tomorrow. Okay, means what exactly the servers, what exactly the data center, what exactly the cloud, virtualization, everything. If possible, we will develop the practical also in the tomorrow class itself. Okay, means tomorrow you will see the practicals in live in front of me, so that you will understand how exactly we are going to learn in the tomorrow session. Is that okay?
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now I would like you to take or ask the questions, guys, whatever it is. Okay. But before that, let me take one more thing. Okay. Someone is an experienced person. Okay. Let's assume you are a 5-year experienced person. You are targeting 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh. And I'm telling I will teach you the same thing. Yes, I will teach you the same thing, but how I will make a difference between you and 20 lakh or 30 lakh package or the experienced person. Guys, if you have a 5+ years technical experience or real-time experience, you have to follow little bit more things. Okay, you have to see the AWS other services overview, which I'm giving you as a white papers. Okay, you have to be aware about some other services also. I'm giving you some books. Okay, or we will also learn into the classroom. You have to understand the architecture diagram, how the architecture has been designed. I will develop in front of you, but you have to read it little bit more so that you can ask 40 or 50 LP package as well. Okay, we will follow in our class whatever the best practices we have to follow. I will follow everything, but while giving the answer, you have to say that in my project we are following the best practice, right? Or you have to say that from the last 3 years or last 5 years we are following this best practice, and that's why we are asking, or I am asking, the 20 or 30 or 40 LP package. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Means you have to make a little bit difference.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So let's take an example. Person ABC who want a 30 LPA package. If he will give the answer, and if he will say that 5 years back I work into the AWS this profile. Okay, so what he is passing the message? He is passing the message that 5 years back he did the work into this part. Correct? So means he is indirectly passing the message that he has a 5 years of experience into this. Right? Yes or no? The way of giving the answer will be little bit different if you are asking the 30 or 40 LPA. We will learn all these things in our classes. Okay. Plus, if you are a DevOps engineer, or you have to understand the disaster recovery, if you're writing 8 to 10 years experience, then you have to be aware about disaster recovery. I will explain you all this in our classes. Make sense? Cool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
guys, go ahead. Whatever the question in your mind, throw it on me. I'm ready to take it.
Sir,
Because you
I
given
have
1
two
hour.
questions.
It's okay. If possible, guys, if possible, switch on the camera. It will be more interactive. Okay. If not, it's okay, but it will be more interactive. Go ahead. It's your time. Raise your hand and ask the question, please. Sangeeta has asked the number, mobile number. Okay. Guys, my mobile number is available into my website. Okay. You can come to the clouddevopshub.com, and here is my number. Okay. You can connect with me or Shikha anytime. Okay. Cool. What else? Yeah. Next question. Yeah, go ahead, Amrita. Go ahead, Shimran. Go ahead. Ask the question, please.
Hello.
Yep. Yeah, Amrita. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I completed diploma in engineering. After it's a 10 plus 3 years diploma.
Okay.
And after diploma, I started working.
Diploma has any branch? Diploma has any branch?
Computer engineering only.
It's equivalent to engineer only. Okay. You don't have to worry.
Yes.
Okay. No need to worry for diploma. Okay. You are an engineer already. Yes. Go ahead. Next question. Next. Yeah. Continue.
And another question is, if we, like interview में हम लोग अगर बोलते हैं कि like we are experienced, okay, then they are going to ask like which tool you are using. Like mostly कैसे company में अलग से tools भी रहते हैं ना. अगर Linux पे काम करे तो उनका अलग से Linux environment में कुछ tools रहते हैं. तो फिर वो पूछते हैं कि कौन से tools पे आपने काम किया. तो फिर ये कैसे explain करने का?
Whatever
या
I
फिर
am
कुछ
teaching it. See, wait, Namrata. Whatever I am teaching, you have to say this all tools you have to work. You have worked in this all tools. I'm going to teach you, na. You will do all the practicals in the next 3 months, right?
standard process follow करते हैं every company कि अगर ये particular काम है तो ये portal या ये tools use होते हैं.
Namrata, I have a 15 years of experience. I know what process each company follows, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Banking domain.
Yes.
I work into the banking domain. I work into. Guys, please mute yourself. Whoever is not talking. I work into the banking domain. I work into the pharmaceutical domain. Okay. I will help you out that what process they are following. Okay. Whatever the interviewer asking the question with you, you can ask the same question. Is that okay?
Okay.
And I will be the
Yes.
person who will give the answer to you.
ओके जैसे कि बिकॉज अभी मैं डेस्कटॉप सपोर्ट पे काम कर रही हूँ तो हम लोग टिकटिंग टूल के लिए सर्विस नाउ यूज करते हैं. ओके या फिर
wait Namrata, service now or Jira is very common in 80% companies, right? That is only a ticketing tool. That is only a ticketing tool. उससे आपको अगर आप बोलोगे मेरे को सर्विस नाउ आता है या जीरा आता है तो उससे आपको कोई पैकेज नहीं मिलेगा. करेक्ट?
राइट.
बिकॉज एवरीवन इज यूजिंग इट. ओके.
तो मेरा क्वेश्चन वही है सर कि अगर हम लोग लिनक्स सीखते हैं या AWS वगैरह ये सब भी सीखते हैं तो डायरेक्टली कंपनी का भी अलग से कोई टूल्स पे रहता है. फिर वो पूछेंगे ना आप कौन से टूल पे काम किए, कौन से टूल आता है.
आप बोलोगे कि आपने लाइनेक्स पे काम किया है, ठीक है, तो वो पूछेगा आपने लाइनेक्स कहाँ चलाया है, राइट? ये क्वेश्चन आएगा.
राइट.
अब आपको आंसर देना पड़ेगा आपने लाइनेक्स कहाँ चलाया है. ये आंसर मैं ना आपको दिखाता हूँ. ओके. ना मुंह से बोलूंगा तो मजा नहीं आएगा. रुको, वेट यार, वेट. लेट मी शो. ओके. मेरे पास क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो आपको देने के लिए है. ठीक है. लाइनेक्स, जब हम लाइनेक्स सीखेंगे, ये एक्चुअली कल मेरे को टेक करना था पर आई एम टेकिंग इट राइट अवे बिकॉज लाइनेक्स कहाँ आपने सीखा है, ठीक है, और कैसे आप चलाते हो, है ना. तो लाइनेक्स चलाने के इतने सारे आंसर्स हैं जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ. देखो, मैं आपको जो सिखाऊंगा ना क्लास में, मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा लाइनेक्स आप कहाँ से ले सकते हो. आप गूगल क्लाउड से ले सकते हो, AWS और Azure, कोई सी भी वर्चुअल मशीन बना सकते हो किसी भी क्लाउड पे लाइनेक्स फ्लेवर की, और आप यूज कर सकते हो. ओके. आप लाइनेक्स लोकल सिस्टम में भी चला सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ मोबाइल स्ट्रीम. आप लाइनेक्स डॉकर के साथ भी चला सकते हो. ये सब मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा. लाइनेक्स आप फिजिकल मशीन हाइपरवाइजर के थ्रू भी आप बना सकते हो, वहां पे भी आप सीख सकते हो. तो आप कह सकते हो मेरी कंपनी में जब मैं 1 साल पहले जब प्रोजेक्ट में थी, दैट इज अ GCP प्रोजेक्ट एंड वी आर यूजिंग द GCP लाइनेक्स मशीन एंड आई लर्न द लाइनेक्स और वी आर डूइंग ऑल द लाइनेक्स एडमिशन एक्टिविटीज इनटू द गूगल क्लाउड. Getting? Okay.
Yes.
I will teach all these things. Okay. You don't have to worry.
यस. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये भी है कि जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल इंटरव्यू में पूछते हैं कि हाँ बाबा, अगर मैं बोलती भी हूँ कि मेरे को 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके. तो फिर वो पूछेंगे कि तुम्हारे डे टू डे एक्टिविटी एक्सप्लेन करो कि तुम सुबह 9:30 बजे से 6:30 बजे तक.
आई विल गिव यू दैट आंसर. ओके. ये हम लोग रिज्यूम के अंदर, जब हम लोग रिज्यूम बनाते हैं ना, ये आपका सेकंड इंटरव्यू. दिस इज योर सेकंड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. गाइस, व्हाट इज योर डे टू डे एक्टिविटी? गाइस, आर यू एग्री? गाइस, प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट एवरीवन.
Yes, sir.
This is your second question after introduction. What is your day-to-day activity? I will write this answer and give it to you. I already written it. I will show you. Okay. I will show you where exactly that answer is, because we have to learn this in the 2.5 months. I will give you all these answers. Okay. I will show you first. Okay. I'm going into this place. What is your day-to-day activity? Okay. How to create a resume, I will teach you. Okay. All these things, so many things. I'm directly coming into the place that how the resume name should be there. Okay. And your day-to-day activities. Tell me about yourself. I will write and give it to you. क्या आपको बोलना है, what you have to speak. Okay. And then after that, your next question will come. What is your day-to-day activity? And here is the answer which I will give it to you. I am giving you 20 points. Okay. Out of 20 points, if you will speak 5 points or 7 points, now it's more than enough. Guys, getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Right. I'm giving you the wider thing. Okay. And you just have to speak whatever I am speaking, just 5%, 10%, 20%. If you will speak now into the interview, you will get that much package. Whatever you are expecting beyond that. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. Yep. Next question. Go ahead. Next person. Next question.
Sir.
Sir.
Wait, one by one.
Hello. हाँ sir. Namrata. Hello sir.
Namrata,
Sir, I
yeah,
have one more doubt.
go ahead.
ओके एक्चुअली मुझे लिनक्स आता था ठीक है और मैंने लिनक्स पे ना इंटरव्यू भी दिया था 2 बार
Okay.
दोनों बार भी डे टू डे एक्टिविटी उन्होंने पूछा मुझे कुछ आया नहीं तो फिर मुझे कमांड सारे आती थी लेकिन डे टू डे एक्टिविटी पता ही नहीं कि एग्जैक्टली कंपनी में डे टू डे में क्या होता है तो फिर लिनक्स
See,
के
देखो क्या
प्लेस पे
होता है.
मेरा
See, the problem
वो
is,
इंटरव्यू क्रैक ही नहीं हुआ
see, the problem is you just learned it, okay? From the internet or
Right.
somewhere, right? You haven't take the proper guidance, right? When I will
Yes,
teach you the
right.
Linux, this is your question, which is day-to-day commands, right? I'm teaching it here. System administration, monitoring, operations, day-to-day activities. These are my day-to-day activities, okay? मतलब हम लोग किस variety में, अब इसके अंदर बहुत सारी varieties के होते हैं. If it's a networking, what type of things you are doing? If it's a user related, what of things you are going to do? If it's a system admin things, you are going to do this thing, okay? Whatever the regular commands, you are doing these things, right? So I'm going to teach you all these things.
राइट
Make-
सर क्योंकि
make
एग्री करती हूँ सर मैं हाँ क्योंकि मैंने सिस्टम एडमिन के प्रोफाइल पे भी इंटरव्यू दिया था उन्होंने पूछा डे टू डे एक्टिविटी उधर ही फिर
will-
नहीं हुआ फिर कि
I
डे
will
टू डे यही
Namrata,
एक
I
ही
will teach.
प्रॉब्लम है
I will teach. Okay. See, the answer
Yes,
is
sir.
the problem is you are lagging. Okay. Means you are giving lot of interviews without any proper guidance, right? And if you get this problem, have you solved this problem? Is your problem got solved if you are alone?
नो बिकॉज पता ही नहीं मतलब किसी को भी पूछूंगी तो फिर कौन बताएगा ना कि हाँ हम लोग डेली बेस पे क्या क्या करते करते
Correct. Okay, guys,
इवन
you
ऑफिस
understood.
कलीग्स आल्सो नॉट
Wait. You understood the problem? You understood, everyone understood the problem? Guys, if you are alone, you will face this all problem. If you will be into the group, throw it right away anytime into the group and you will able to get the answer. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct, sir.
Correct. And I will be the here. I'm not giving the theoretical answer. I'm showing everything that it all things I have to teach to you. Okay. And guys, this is my 15 years of experience. Okay. Which I have written in my PPTs and all these things. Okay. And guys, still, if you have a question, sir, how I will get this all PPTs? Okay. Is the today's PPT is available into the LMS? Yes, guys. Today's PPT is also available into the LMS system. I want you all to come into this place, come to the website, come into the join current batch. If you will click here, you will able to click. Let me show you. Okay. If you will click on in this window, okay, you will go here, you will get a access for free, okay, for just to use this all things. Okay, you can just click here buy now and you will able to see the PPT and recording in this place itself. Getting my point?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
giving you this link, okay, and you will able to see the PPT also in the today's class. Let me do it in front of you, okay, because otherwise I can show this tomorrow as well. Okay, I can show it tomorrow as well, that where is the recording and PPT is there. Okay, you will able to see it. Okay, cool. Next question. Yeah, go ahead.
सर वही एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि एटलीस्ट जो इंडस्ट्री में एग्जैक्टली जो हो रहा है अगर वो मेन सीखने को मिल गया ना तो फिर इंटरव्यू इजीली क्रैक हो जाएगा
Namrata, this is not your Namrata, this is not your problem. This is a problem by every student, correct? And that
Yes, sir.
we have created
Yes,
the
sir.
solution, right? If you will learn this thing in a proper guidance, you will get to solve these problems. Okay, I feel that let me tell you, let me come into the previous slide. Okay, where I am comparing yourself. Okay, you are into this place. Okay, you are going into some other direction, but you are not getting succeeded. Correct? Right? Yes or no?
Right, sir. Right,
if
sir.
you will follow the right track, okay, which we have created, which hundred of thousands of students already get succeeded, so you have to follow this part which we are giving to you. Okay, and definitely your successes will be get returned very soon. Cool. Yeah, go ahead. Next person, please.
Hello, sir.
Yep,
I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible, Purvesh.
Sir.
Yeah. Sir, actually, I have only one doubt. So I'm taking as a course as a fresher. In case if I am telling I have a experience in handling such kind of tools and that.
How much
If
experience you want? See, you are a fresher. How much experience you want to write? Tell me
No, I
very
am not a
straightforward.
fresher.
Okay,
No,
you
I
are
am.
not.
I have 6 years of experience in front-end development currently.
Good. Yeah.
Okay. So I just want to change the domain. So if I'm taking the coaching, so after I'm telling I have this much of experience and all, they might be expect much more from my end.
See, you will say that you have a 6 year of front-end experience, right? Out of that 1 year, you have a cloud experience. Out of that 1 year, you have a DevOps experience. You will say like that. Okay.
Okay.
And if your interview is getting cracked with 1 year, you will write 2 years. Okay. And
Okay.
if you get to 30 LPA, you are expecting more, then you will write 3-year experience as a DevOps or cloud, and then 3 years as a front end, and you will go and crack it, right? Like that.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Completely.
So what I'm asking, whatever that.
Prabha, how I will tell you that how much you have to write it. If you will give the mock interview to me, okay, I will get to know that how much you are capable. Correct? Right
Okay.
now we are talking just in the air, right? That you
Okay.
will ask 20 lakh, 30 lakh. But when you will give the interview to me, I will tell you the reality that Purvesh, this is the capability you have. You will able to crack the interview up to this level. Write this in your resume and go for the interview. That's it.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Satisfied, Purvesh? Purvasan?
Yeah, of course, I'm satisfied.
Thank you. Next person, go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah, Karthik. Go
sir,
ahead.
this is Karthikeyan. I have two doubts. One is
Go ahead.
assuming I am in a different domain from computer science,
Okay.
if I'm trying to
What
switch
is?
over to
See,
DevOps,
not assume. What is your actual domain? Tell me. What is the branch?
I'm a fresher working in a computer industry, like in the IT sector. But
That's okay.
I
That's
want to
already
know.
that's good now. That's already very good, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, go ahead.
My friend is on a mechanical domain, but he wants to switch over to DevOps domain. And
Okay.
is it possible or not?
It is 100% possible. When the TCS or big companies come into the college thing, which profile they ask? There is no limitation, right? You can say civil engineer, mechanical engineer, anyone can sit into the interview. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right? So what, if they are not making the difference, why you are making the difference with them? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Yes, anyone can go into this profile. Okay, or anyone can come into the IT, mechanical, civil person also. Lot of example I
Okay.
have, guys. Okay, I have lot of examples. People are coming into from different domain to the cloud and DevOps. Possible.
Okay, sir. The second doubt is, if I'm a DevOps engineer,
Why you are
can I work?
Why you are if you are a DevOps engineer? Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Can I work in both development sector and operations sector?
See, you are a DevOps engineer means name itself is selling development operation. You have to work into both the profiles. You will get any variety of work that is possible. Okay, because if you will see this image, some companies has some company has a more development work, some company has a more operation work. So you will work into both the profiles.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Got it, Karthik? Satisfied with my answer?
Yes, sir. I'm quite satisfied.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah, go with next person, guys, please.
Sir.
Yeah, Simran, go ahead. Yes,
Sir,
Simran,
as you said that कि हमें हम जो as a DevOps engineer हमें development भी सीखना होगा और operation भी सीखना होगा.
Development means software installation is also called the development of the software.
Okay,
development
sir.
is not
Sir.
like writing a code. Wait. Development is not writing a code. Okay. Means if you install the Jenkins into the Linux machine, means you did the Jenkins development part. Got it?
Got it.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Development is not development that writing a code. Guys, that time is gone. Now in the 2024, people are not writing the code. That is not a skill at all. Do you feel that I can? Let me write a code in front of you. Let me show you. Okay, the development. If you're worried about the development and coding, let me show you. Okay, I'm opening my Visual Studio Code. Guys, what is this? This is my Visual Studio Code. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm creating a new file here. Okay, can anyone tell me your name, please? Anyone of your name, please?
Shubham.
Shubham. Shubham. Shubham dot YAML. I'm creating a YAML code in front of you. Okay. And I'm just saving this into the desktop. Okay. I will teach you all these things. You don't have to worry. Okay. Now, have you heard about Kubernetes? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kubernetes
Yes,
has
sir.
a code. Kubernetes is a code. In the Kubernetes, have you heard about the application pod, container, deployment, all
Yes.
these
Yes,
things?
sir.
Right?
Yes.
If you heard this thing, can I write the code in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Deployment
Yes, sir.
code.
Yes, sir.
I want to develop the deployment code. Okay. So what I'm typing,
Yes, sir.
I'm typing that cube dot deployment. Okay. And as soon as I will click here, my complete code will be ready. Can I click? I'm
Yes,
clicking
sir.
in front of you. Okay. And my complete code is ready. Do you think coding is a skill? Nowadays, it's not a skill, right? ChatGPT, AI is there who will write a complete code for you.
Yes.
You're right.
right? So no need to worry about the coding. Okay, very minor coding is there, and I'm going to teach you all these things because I can't teach you everything in one day. Think it like that, right? Yes or no? Is that practically possible? I can
Correct,
teach you
sir.
everything in one day?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right? You have to spend the time. See how my setup is there. I will teach you how you have to set up it. If the interview will say, write the code. Okay, sir, I will write it code. Tell me what code you want. I'm a Kubernetes coder. I will write anything. He will say that, okay, write the port code. Okay. The code cube.pod. Okay. And you will press enter. The code is ready. The interview will see like this, what he did, man. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you will go to the chat GPT and all this thing, he will say, no, don't go into the chat GPT. If you will go to the Google, he will say, no, don't go to the Google. But he can't stop you for the Visual Studio, right?
Yes.
Because every developer is writing the code here only. That's it. Guys, are you happy? Excited? To start
Correct,
your
sir.
journey? Start
Yes,
your
sir.
journey for the next 3 months?
Sir, I have one more doubt.
Wait,
Sir,
Simran. Is this happy? Are you happy with this answer?
yes, sir.
Right? So no need to worry for the coding at all. Okay, please. Yes. Yeah, go ahead, Simran. What is your question?
Sir, I'm learning Python with the framework, its framework and all. Is it
Simran, first
important
tell
for
me.
DevOps
First,
engineer?
Simran, first tell me what you want to become. Tell me.
So
What you
I
want to
want to be a DevOps engineer.
What is your background? What is your background?
Sir, I'm a computer science student.
Fresher, right?
I'm doing
You are a fresher?
Sure.
Simran, you are a fresher or experienced? Simran, see, if you are telling that, maybe, yeah. Okay. See, Simran, if your question is, I am learning the Python framework, means you are going into the Python development. Okay. If your interest is Python development, then you don't have to come into this place. Then you can go into the ML or AI also. If you are a developer, if you are not a developer, you can't develop the framework by own, then come into this profile. Got it? Guys, others got it?
Sir, please repeat. Because of network connectivity, I'm not able to listen.
Okay. Simran, you ask your question. What is your domain? What is your current domain? What you are doing right now?
Sir, I'm BTech computer science student. I'm currently in 4th semester.
4th semester. Okay. So now you have a choice. You want to become a developer or you want to become a DevOps engineer. Choose one thing. Don't go into both the ways. Both are different. What
Sir,
you want to
DevOps
choose?
engineer.
If you want to choose the
DevOps
DevOps,
engineer.
then you don't have to go for Python development. No, not at all required. Zero knowledge of Python development can make you a DevOps engineer. Okay? Because Python in DevOps is different. Okay? You don't have to develop framework, functions, coding. No, it is completely a automation. That is Boto 3. You have to learn the automation into the Python into the AWS cloud. That's it. And that is a different. What you are learning a wrong thing for the DevOps engineer. If you will say framework, interviewer will reject you that we don't require this person. Got it?
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you,
Cool.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, what else, guys? Let me take 2 more questions. Okay, please go ahead. Okay. Guys, can you do one thing for me?
Here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, actually,
Raghavendra.
I want to ask one thing.
Yeah.
One by one, go ahead.
Total, yep. I
Yeah,
have
Raghavendra,
total
go
12 years of experience
Okay.
working on open text tools of content management, where I have been mostly onto production support only.
Okay, fine.
And I think mostly 1 or 2 development projects which I have worked on, but those are very minor which I have worked
That's
on
okay.
Java.
That's okay. Raghavendra, how much is the
Uh,
overall experience? 12 years, right?
12 years. Yes,
12 years of operations. Okay. You must have
Yes,
to put
completely into.
you must have to put the DevOps or tools into your profile. Okay. That
Yes,
is
yes.
must
Thing
for
is,
you.
yeah, thing is that I have worked only on basic services of AWS as part of one of the development projects
If
which
you
I
have a
worked on.
basics, I will give you the hands-on experience. You can take my 15
Yeah.
years of experience.
Definitely. Yeah, that
Right?
would be of real help. And
Yeah.
I'm seeing the current market right now. People are expecting a lot. They need each
Correct.
and every tool which is currently in the
See,
market,
but
whether they use
Raghavendra,
or not.
the thing is you are writing 15 years of experience, correct?
Yep.
15 years means you have a capability to ask 80, 90 LPA package also, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Right? If you are into the technology, you have a capability because 15 years technical person, one of my friend, Okay, he is asking 80 to 90 NPA, and he will get it very sure. Okay, because he is already into the 75 plus. Okay,
Oh, okay.
so
Got
that
it.
is possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yep. So
Yeah.
see, if they're expecting that, means you are making your benchmark. You don't have to make your benchmark. Okay. You have to say that I have a 4 years experience into this, but my overall experience is 15 years. And you are not asking 30, 40 LP, right? 40 LP is very standard for you.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. Okay. And we will talk, Arvinder,
Definitely.
in this part. Okay.
Definitely, Vikas. Yeah.
When you will give the
Thank
interview
you.
to me now, I will tell you the truth. Okay. Reality, what all things you have to change it. Okay.
Sir, is it impacting the passing year and other experience?
Doesn't matter. If you have a knowledge, doesn't matter. If you have a knowledge, doesn't matter. If you don't have knowledge, everything matters. Correct?
Yes.
That's the correct point. I would agree with you.
Right. Do you know what is the degree of Mark Zuckerberg? Doesn't matter, right?
Doesn't matter, yes.
Right? He is a college completed or he has a degree or not, doesn't matter. Only the knowledge matters. That's it. What you have achieved, that matters.
बट सर ये जो प्रीवियस वाला एक्सपीरियंस है उसके थ्रू एंटर कर सकते हैं मतलब AWS में?
Sangeeta, tell me about yourself. How much is your overall experience? How much is your experience?
Yeah, my total experience is 7 years and
Okay.
I was working as a technical support engineer.
Okay, cool. Okay, means from the 7 years you are into the support. Now you want to come into the cloud, correct?
Yes.
What I can help you out, I will teach you everything. Okay, I will take your mock interview. Okay, and in the interview itself, I will tell that Sangeeta, you are good into this part. Write into your resume. Okay, and start giving the interview for 1 year as a DevOps engineer, 6 years as a support engineer. If you are able to crack it, you will write 2 years by own. Okay, I don't have to say that. You will write by own, give the interview, get the 20 LPA package. Or write the 3 years experience, give the interview to me, correct yourself, whatever the mistakes you are doing, whatever the problems you are facing, get your problem solved with me or my team, right? Or we will be a group, okay, where we will help you out. Or not only one. See, let us assume Raghvendra is in my team, my group, right? Raghvendra join it. Okay. So what will Raghvendra will help you out little bit. Naresh will help you out. Someone other person will help you out. Making sense?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it. Cool. Chalo guys, I'm stopping the recording, okay, so that our recording will be very crystal and clear, okay, and you will get this recording into the LMS. Today's recording we will upload into the YouTube channel as well, okay.